Hi my friend, today we model this part. It has some interesting features, as you can see here, and the drawing is this. We start by creating this base plate, this one, 52, 40 and thickness of 5. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new plane, YZ plane, X to the right. Then we use a rectangle with the center. Dimensions 52, tab 40. Finish sketch, extrude 5. This plate has fillets of radius 5. The part is small, my friends, no big one. 5 to each corner. Good. Then we create this feature by using dimensions from here. You see radius 5 is also inside, like outside, and the distance is 3 millimeters on each side. I turn back the part. I project everything. I create a new rectangle with center, and I place dimensions of 3 to both sides. Then circles. They have the same diameter or radius like the fillets, so we can use them without placing dimensions. Finish sketch, and you see that the depth is 3 millimeters. Extrude this with cut on 3. Okay. Next is this cylinder with dimensions, diameter of 18, length of 70 and placement at 10. Let's do this. We use the plane YZ, circle, diameter of 18, F7. We place this point on the same vertical with this, and a distance of 10 from the center point. 10. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical 70. Okay, you see this is also placed inside the cut. The other cylinder, this one, is placed at 60 degrees from a point at 40 and the length of 45. Diameter is also 18. We create a plane XY and an axis, this axis, and you see we have a base for a new sketch. F7, line, we draw this small line to place this point on the same horizontal, but this is construction. The angle is 60 and the length is 45. The distance from this point to this face is 40. Now you have the full image of the new sketch. We create another plane based on this line and this point for another sketch, but we have to project this line here because we don't have a point. Now we have, you can see it right here, circle with diameter of 18 like before, and extrude not to the part because it stops here. You see, we want to go inside. We select 2 to this cylinder, and now you see the final presentation. Visibility, also sketch visibility, and the other plane also not visible. Now the flange, this flange at the end of the last cylinder. Dimensions are here, 30 between these two centers, radius 4, radius 10.5, and the thickness is 3 millimeters. We select this face for a new sketch. Then we draw some lines. Be careful what I do here. This is a line. I keep press the left button. I go here. I go to the right, keeping attention on the tangency here and the level of this point. This is the point. I keep pressed the left button and I go somewhere here. Again, I have to align these two and keeping both vertical and parallel. You see, I finished the line. Now I keep pressed the left button. I go here. I align this and horizontal as well. Then align with tangency and with vertical at the end. Then I keep press the left button and I go here. You see that every contact is with tangency, but not this one. I apply tangency here. These 2 points are on the same horizontal. Then I apply equal to these two circles, arcs, equal to these two, equal to these two. And I place these two centers one over the other. We can apply dimensions. This is radius 4. This is radius 10.5. And the distance here is 30. I project the circle, I make it construction, I place this point over this point. We move this dimension, finish sketch, extrude, the other direction, not cut but join, 3 millimeters. Okay. We continue with creating this internal volume. Dimensions 14, 8, also 8 here, as well as here, and 14 again. This is simple. We use the former plane, this one, F7. We draw a line from this mid line to this mid line as a center line. Then we draw lines as we declared at the beginning. I project this line, it is projected. Trim for this equal to these two short lines. I'm sure that they are on the same horizontal, you see they are. Then diameters of 14 and 8 and again 8. Finish sketch, revolve with cut. OK. Next is this, another volume, but we use hole, not revolution, because we have to go inside this volume. Dimensions are diameter of 8, diameter of 14, and also 8. We use the tool hole. We select the face, we select the center, we select counter bore, and now we place that dimensions. This is 14, this is 8, this is also 8, but it doesn't go through the part, it goes to this hole, you see. Okay. Other countersink holes are these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are placed in the centers of these fillets. Diameter of 6, diameter of 3, and the depth of 2. The holes are placed on this face. We project that face, but also the other two, because we need to have these 4 points or centers. Then we apply hole through the part with dimensions of 6 diameter, 3 diameter, 2 depth. Select positions waits Inventor for us, because you see this blue line. I select 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. Okay. Other holes are in the flange with a diameter of 3.5. We select this face, F7. We project the full face. Now we have centers. To apply hole, not countersink, but simple hole. The positions are this and this through the part, and the diameter is 3.5. Okay. The part has chamfers and fillets. Fillets are radius 2, chamfers are 1 at 45 degrees. Chamfers are 1, 2, 3, and fillets are all over. You can see here. Yes, fillets of 2 outside and inside on this part. Let's do this. This is a chamfer. Dimension is 2, not 2. Dimension is 1 to all the 3 edges. Okay. Then fillets are here, radius 2 to outside, and you have to be patient because there are many edges and we want to make them all in a single step. I forgot this and this. Okay. A lot of fillets. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Oh yes, and these are also. The part is made by casting. Yes, this is why there are many fillets. Okay, let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. There is a small difference, and I suppose that I missed the original. So you know what we did here, and the result for doing this is this one. Material is steel cast, with aspect of steel cast, without edges, and with light default. I select some faces to be machined. As you can see, I keep pressed the shift button on the keyboard to select all of them in one step. What is the aspect? The aspect is still polished. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.